कंधों से मिलते हैं, कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम डरते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं, कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम डरते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा।
With these iconic words, we, AT, present our assembly on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti.
One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after its death, inculcate itself in 1,000 lives.
This was the ideology of the great nationalist Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897. He was popularly known as Netaji. He was an exceptional political leader.
Subhash Chandra Bose fought for Indian freedom with bravery. Netaji also participated in civil disobedience movement. His life inspires all. Two very prominent leaders of the national independence movement were Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and Mahatma Gandhi. But they had different approaches and ideologies, contradictions in their thoughts and methods. Mahatma Gandhi was a strong advocate of ahimsa as means of achieving political and social change.
I believe that we must support non-violence. That's the only way we can defeat the British. We should stick to honesty and ahimsa. What are your thoughts, Gopika?
Yes, Gandhiji, I agree with you. I should also stand for women's rights and gender equality.
Yes, I agree. Beyond the shadow of a doubt.
Bose, on the other hand, believe that non-violence might not be sufficient to achieve anything.
Dear people, I believe that we must give British a taste of their own medicine. I do not agree to the fact that we can achieve freedom while believing in non-violence.
Yes, Bose, you are right. We must fight if we want to live. We must fight if we want to live.
Bose, while respecting Gandhi, had a more pragmatic and political approach. He focused on achieving independence and union, even if it involves aligning our interests with the laws of the government.
Everyone, assemble here. We must come together to defeat our common enemy, the British, with the ultimate goal of liberating India from the colonial rule.
But what are we supposed to do? How can we end the colonial rule?
We'll make an army and fight!
Yes, you are right. Let's make an army. The Azad Force!
What's that?
And then there was limitless struggle that Indians underwent. Not many political leaders came up. Some supported ahimsa, whereas some thought that they must fight. And everyone fought. Everyone fought their own ways. Finally, on 15th August 1947, India was free. Freedom fighters did not only fight for their country, but they fought for us to live a better life. We dedicate this song as a mark of respect to our freedom fighters and a salute to our country.
One